Hi, Julie. My name is Brooke. I'm with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence. Um, this way of marketing is part of it is called SEO, which is search engine optimization. Um, this marketing service is great because it is free and you don't have to constantly manage and pay for it all the time. Um, so it'll save you a lot of money and it will actually bring you in more clients without the hassle of Google and Facebook ads. So you're probably thinking, who is this crazy person and why aren't they just giving me free information? A lot of small business owners are quite busy and they spend most of their time dealing with the day-to-day in the business. Um, and whenever you're looking for more customers, you don't know where to start, or even who to trust whenever you're bringing somebody your business and if they'll actually, if they know what they're doing and if they're actually going to live up to the expectations that you set for them. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and make this video for you. If you decide you want to work with me, feel free to reach out and we can figure out the best plan to help guide you to the goals that you want to set for your company and reach those goals in a appropriate amount of time. If not, and you decide you want to try and use this information by yourself, no harm, no foul. I know this information will be really useful to you. Um, Okay, so nowadays, whenever people need HVAC services, they're going to Google search HVAC companies in Topeka, Kansas. I know you're in Holton, but you're only 30 minutes away from Topeka, and they have a higher population, so most of your clients are going to be coming from them, um, and most of your competition as well. So there are the Google guaranteed ads. You're up here, but you're at the bottom, so you're probably paying like the minimum amount, which is good. So the Google ads are great, but the Google guaranteed ads, there is a higher auditing process. And once you go through that process, you'll get more clients and it'll weed out all of those spam callers that you're getting. Um, there's the regular cost per click ads, there's the GMB section, and then the organic listings are down here. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to tell you about is content. So content is everything that you see on your page. So it's the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. The more content, the better. The more information that you have on your website, the more things that your customers are going to be finding you for, and that will get you more clients. I cannot stress how important more content is because that, not a lot of people are doing that. Um, I really love that you're an HVAC company, and I've been a homeowner for 3 years, and I had no idea that there was everybody knows about solar power energy, but no one really knows about this. Everyone in Europe, you said 75% use the geothermal way to heat up and cool down their houses. So right now it's all about solar power energy. But if you can start running branding ads, because it's talking about this stuff. So just doing this and marketing people who have broken broken AC and heating units and showing them this as an option. Well, you're going to spend $700 on a new unit. So if you go the normal way, then you'll be having the same bill. But if you go this way, you can save up to, what is it, 70% of your energy bill and you get a tax credit. So this is a great marketing strategy for you guys. You're already spending money on Google ads. So if you wanted to do Facebook ads, it has a budget up there. Oh my gosh, I'm getting too far into it. We're going to keep this short and sweet. Um, I came across your company and I loved this information. So hopefully the stuff that I'm giving you is really going to help out. So I have a website crawling tool. So what Google does is 24/7. They have bot crawlers and they use that content that you have on your page and they use that to determine where you're going to be ranked on Google. So 30% of your um, clients should be coming from the GMB section and the remaining 70% should be coming from the organic section. Um, So the next thing I'm going to tell you about is citations. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You will find these on Facebook, Yellow Pages, all of those. The more citations you have, the better. And you want to beat Paw Valley by at least 30 citations, and then you want to maintain that so that they don't keep going up. Google also uses your images, the quality of the images, your reviews, that's the quality, and how many reviews you have, and they use that to rank you on the GMB. And then the next thing I'm going to tell you about is backlinks. You can think of backlinks as a voting system. It's more so like a popularity contest. So a backlink is a reference from one website to another. When it comes to backlinks, you don't want as many as you can get. It's quality over quantity. So whenever you're looking for backlinks, you want it to come from a website that has high authority. So that has everything to do with this information right here. There's your power ranking and your trust ranking, and that has everything to do with your backlinks. So you want the website that it's coming from to have authority, and you want it to be relevant to your niche. So you want it to have something to do with the geothermal um, thing you have going on and all of the HVAC services as well. So here, I'm going to show you two of your competition and what they have going on. So here's Debackers, and they are at the top of it. They also provide the geothermal solution, but they don't brand it as that. Most people just want a quick, easy fix, and they don't think about long term. Um, so they have that going on. They have quite a bit of content. They have 57 keywords, and they're getting 99 people on their website each month. And they have 257 backlinks coming from 39 domains. So the backlinks that you're getting are good quality, but what's holding you back is the amount of content on your page. So you're going to want more content because you're only getting 7 keywords. And so far for this month, there hasn't been anyone on your website. While yes, you are probably getting word of mouth and recurring customers and people from the Google Ads. Once you get the content in there, you can see you're going to see your customers shoot up because then you'll be ranking on Google whenever they search for your services. Um, and then there is Blue Dot Kansas. So I would say these are your top two competitors right now in Topeka. Um, they have quite a bit of information on their page too. Sorry. Um, and they probably have a marketer. They really know what they are doing. They are getting 488 people a month on their website. So 10% of those are buyer intent leads. So let's do the math really quick. So they're getting 48 customers each month just by using their website and these backlinks. That's it. The website and the content and the backlinks. And that is what's getting them the majority of these people. They're also running Google Ads as well, but a website is just about having a reference or like a business card online. Your website and your GMB or your Google Business Pack is like a digital billboard. Anyway, sorry, I went on a little bit longer with that. Well, and if you're interested in hearing more about how I can help guide you to making these things happen and reaching your goal in a timely manner, give me a call or send me an email. And I know this stuff will be really helpful. I hope you're as excited as I am. But thanks, Julie. I'm sorry that went longer than I wanted. You have a great weekend.